Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this soft, cute, pink, girly look. So if you're interested in getting this look, make sure you keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going in with my primer, and this is like the e.l.f.'s grip one, and I just apply that under my eye and rub it in. And then I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty one, and I apply this like on the opposite spots where I didn't put the grip. And I really don't even put makeup on my forehead, but I still like don't want it to look dry. After my primer has dried, I go in with concealer, and Huda has been my favorite because I love how full coverage it is. And I go in with like my darker one first, and then go in with my brush and blend it out. And this is a Real Techniques brush, y'all, because that hoe was blurry. But yes, I just blend it out. This is the closest to my skin shade. I forgot what shade it is, but I'm literally always changing shades anyway. Okay, now I'm going in with my lighter shade, and I do this to highlight my dark circles. I feel like this just makes my under eye look more bright. Alright, and now I'm gonna set all of this in, and I use the Huda powder as well, of course. This is actually really good too. And I'm using a different Real Techniques brush to apply this to under my eye, and pretty much anything that has concealer, you need to pat that shit in, y'all, and set that stuff in. Y'all cannot just be putting concealer on y'all face and not setting that in. And as you can see, I'm using no foundation for this look, and it just comes out so cute every single time. And now I'm going in with my Dior concealer, and I like this because it's not as like pigmented, if that makes sense. So I literally only use this for like under my eyes, under my brows. I've tried this as concealer once, and I feel like it just blended out like super easily. Okay, now I'm going in with my MAC 219 brush. Actually, I lied, y'all. This is a Real Techniques brush, y'all. My MAC one is purple, but I'm using this brush to just blend out the concealer, and this is a Real Techniques brush, not a MAC brush. Real Techniques. I like to go in with a paper towel and press it against my brows. I've been doing this since middle school, y'all, and it just takes up all the extra concealer that's under there before you like set it in with powder. I'm taking that Real Techniques brush, using the rest of the powder I used to powder, and just putting that on top of my brows. Okay guys, now I'm going in with my Dior palette, and I'm using the darkest shade in here to contour my nose and to contour like my cheekbones just a little bit, because I feel like they already just like naturally kind of stand out. But remember, this is the darkest shade in the Dior palette. I think it's called Backstage. Okay, now I'm going in with my Juvia's palette, and there's two pinks in here that I love to use. And y'all, I don't know what that brush is, but I got that from like Dollar General. But I like to start off with the lightest shade of pink, and I like to apply it first and create like an ombre look, which you guys will see what I'm talking about in a second, just because I feel like it's so light, so it naturally just looks, oh, like, yeah. And then I take that dark pink, and I only really apply that like in the middle of where I put the light pink. Now I'm going in with my setting spray. I like to put my setting spray before I do like highlighter and recreating my moles, because last time I did this, I feel like it made my moles like shift, and it looked so weird. But now we're going in, and these are literally the beauty marks I already have on my face. I'm just putting them back on my face because I like the way it looks with my makeup. Now we're going in with eyeliner. This liner brush did not come with it. It came from my old one. I got this eyeliner from like Dollar General, and they didn't have like one of those liner brushes, so I just put my old one in it. So yeah, nothing fancy. This is probably like the cheapest thing I have out of all my makeup. It was only like $3, I think. And y'all, I love me a cat eye eyeliner. Like, look how cute, y'all. And today I went on the longer side, but I usually do them like a little bit shorter, but it's eating. Okay guys, now I'm going in with my highlighter, and this is the MAC 219 brush, y'all. And I start with my nose, and then I go up on my bridge, and then after that I get my brows, and sometimes I do above my lip as well. I feel like it just makes it kind of stand out, especially if I'm doing like lip liner. And I'm putting a little bit on my cheekbones today, I guess. Alright, mascara. Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just gonna put that on. I don't put mascara on my bottom lashes. Sometimes I do, depending on the mood, because I sometimes wear white eyeliner on my waterline. But I'm going in with my white eyeliner, NYX Jumbo. And I was just making sure the product was off, and I'm applying this in between my eyes just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. Okay, I'm going in with my NYX lip liner, and I like to overline my lips at the top. I just feel like the round part looks so cute, and it reminds me of Bratz. And then for the rest, I just line my lips like exactly where they end, but overlining the top is literally like a must. I feel like I have brat lips. Now I'm going in with some lip gloss. This is Dior something. I'm pretty sure it said 002. That hoe was not trying to focus, but y'all, this is my favorite lip gloss so far. Like, I probably have about 10 glosses from Dior, and this one is my favorite. Like, I love how pink it is, and I love how it has like these sparkles in it. And I feel like the sparkles match my highlighter from Fenty Rihanna. So like, it's just perfect, and it does what it has to do every single time. Okay guys, and I know you probably don't care, but I'm doing my edges real quick on camera. Just wanted to show you guys like the full process of like what I would do if I was like going out. I usually do my edges first because I don't like how it runs into my makeup, but today I decided to do them last minute just because I wanted to make some TikToks and I wanted my edges to be done. So that's the tea on that, to be honest. And bam, y'all, you know, like she's that girl, always been that girl. Oh yeah, and then this is like a hack I love to do is I like to get my highlighter and put it on my chest, and then I usually go in with like perfume or lotion and then rub it in a little bit if there's like some spots that like look too pink or just like caked up. But that's pretty much it, y'all. That is that. Okay guys, but that is it for the video. This is how I typically do like my little natural glam. I usually do this makeup look when I'm going like clubbing or something. If I want something like more on the natural side, I usually just don't do eyeliner. But when I really just like want to pop my shit, I usually do eyeliner. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I do my cute little like cute soft girl look. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe and check out my other videos, and bye.